Hi, I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach, and in this video, I'm going to cover Medicare Part D as in drug. Now, I first learned about Medicare when I was helping my dad figure out his Medicare decision. And since then, thousands of people have turned to me and the Medicare Coach to easily make their right decision too. Now, the Medicare Coach is not an agent, so we don't receive any commissions from insurance companies, which means we are truly independent and unbiased. And it's incredibly important that you get independent, unbiased Medicare advice to ensure that you make the right Medicare decision when you first join Medicare, because you may not be able to switch in the future. Now also, please stay tuned through the end of this video where I will share a free resource to help you make your Medicare decision too. Okay, let's cover Medicare Part D. Now, Medicare Part A as in apple and B as in boy only cover medications that must be administered by a medical professional, such as most chemotherapy treatments. Now, the other medications that you take, and most of your medications, are covered under Medicare Part D drug plans. Now, Medicare rules say once you turn 65, you will face penalties if you don't have a creditable prescription drug coverage. Therefore, a Part D drug plan is one way to get creditable coverage. Now, here's how Medicare Part D drug plans work. First off, Medicare determines the type of medications that every plan must cover. Now, some plans will include extra medications, but they're not required to do so. Now, once the list is released, the insurance companies will go to the drug companies to negotiate prices. And depending on how good of a deal the insurance companies get, it will put the drugs into different tiers. There are usually 5 different tiers, with the first tier being the least expensive, and the 5th tier being the most expensive. So the right plan for you depends on many factors, including the medications that you take, the tier your medication falls into, the premiums, the deductibles, which pharmacy you go and see, and whether or not you hit the donut hole or even catastrophic coverage levels. Now, please also be aware that these plans change every year. So during an open enrollment from October 15th through December 7th, this is when you can review the new plans, the premiums, the deductibles, the tierings, the pharmacies, all of that, and ensure that you have the best plan for the upcoming year. Now, everyone can change plans no matter what their medical conditions are, so make sure that you review your plan every single year and find the best one for the new year. Now, like I said, Medicare is complicated, and too many people make the wrong Medicare decision, which is jeopardizing their healthcare and their savings. And this is why people turn to the Medicare Coach. So if you want help with your Medicare decision and taking the right steps, please click the link below to join my free online Medicare workshop. In this workshop, I will cover the 5 steps to Medicare so you can easily make your Medicare decision too, without wasting time on research or paperwork. Now, it's free to join, but there are a limited number of spaces, so please make sure you click the link below and just save your spot before the spots are all gone. Now, once again, I'm Emily with the Medicare Coach, and I look forward to seeing you in the workshop. All right, here's to helping you make Medicare easy. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, comment below, and subscribe for more videos just like this.